9 days ago, I uploaded a video where I showed you how to use Kling AI for unlimited time through Figma. But recently, a lot of you have been running into some issues. So to fix that, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 2 platforms where you can properly use motion control, and you'll get plenty of free credits on both of them. And right in the middle of the video, I'm going to drop a powerful tip that'll make sure your credits never run out. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up any browser and search for AnyJam AI. Go ahead and open that first website in a new tab. Now, if you try to access this site directly, it's not going to open. Don't worry about that. I'll explain why a little later in the video. Once you're on the website, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Go ahead and click Start for free. You'll be given 3 sign-up options. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Apple, and email sign-up is currently showing as coming soon, so that option isn't available just yet. Simply sign up using any Google account. The moment you log in, you'll be dropped into an interface that looks like this. For every new account, you'll receive 500 credits right off the bat. And on top of that, you'll earn 100 credits every single day. Later in the video, I'll show you how to get unlimited credits. Now let me show you how motion control works on this platform. You'll see New Project. Go ahead and click on it. An interface like this will open up. Now, you'll notice motion control is listed here, but there's a crown icon right next to it. If you click on it, it's going to ask you to upgrade to a premium plan. We don't want to do that, we're keeping this completely free. So let's go back. You'll see a plus icon. Click on that. This will give you the option to upload a video. Here's something important to keep in mind. You need to upload the reference video first, and then upload your image. Video first, image second, don't mix that up. Once your uploads are complete, go to the prompt field and simply type motion control, then hit submit. The platform will analyze your video and image for about 5 to 10 seconds. After that, click generate. As you can see, motion control will begin processing using Kling 2.6. You'll need to wait just a moment. And if the video seems to be taking too long, simply refresh the page. Your video will be right there waiting for you. As you can see, my video has been successfully generated. Let's check out the output. The video quality is genuinely impressive. I've muted the audio just to avoid any copyright claims. And from here, you can click the download button to save it to your device. This result used less than 200 credits, and honestly, it's outstanding. Now let me get into some pro tips. As I mentioned earlier, you can't access this website directly. To get around that, you'll need to use a VPN. You can use any reliable VPN you prefer. But let me also show you how to run a VPN directly inside your Chrome browser. Completely free, and in a way that won't slow down your internet at all. Here's how. Click on Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. You'll see a link to the Chrome Web Store. Click on that. In the search bar, look up Urban VPN. There are plenty of other VPNs available too, and any of them will work. But personally, I've been using Urban VPN without any issues, so that's the one I'm recommending today. And just to be clear, this is not a paid promotion. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension, and Urban VPN will be installed successfully. Go back to your Extensions tab, locate Urban VPN, pin it for easy access, and click on it. Accept the terms and conditions. You'll be able to select a country from a list, and my recommendation is to connect to the United States. You can also use the Urban VPN desktop application if you prefer. That's actually what I personally use on a daily basis. Now here's the big pro tip I promised you. If your credits start running low, simply disconnect the VPN and log out of your AnyJam account. Wait a little while, then reconnect through the United States and open AnyJam AI again. Your credits will be refreshed and renewed. Now, there is one thing to keep in mind. I tested this across 5 different systems. It worked perfectly on 4 of them, but it did not work on one. So go ahead and test it on your own system to see if it works for you. The second platform is Fal AI. Now, motion control is already available for free on Fal AI, but the catch is that generating a single video can take up to an hour. However, I have a trick that lets you generate a video on Fal AI in under 30 seconds. If you want that tutorial, drop at least 100 comments below and I'll make it happen. If this video gave you value, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want access to even more free motion control platforms, join our Telegram channel using the link below. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next one.